DX12 Crash on startup, black screen, and freezing fix. Fix 1, restart your PC, close the game completely, restart your computer, launch the game again. Fix 2, update your graphics driver, download and install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver, restart your PC after the installation. Fix 3, verify game files, open your game launcher, right-click the game, select Properties, click Verify Integrity of Game Files, wait for the process to finish. Fix 4, update Windows, open Settings, Windows Update, install all available updates, restart your PC. Fix 5, clear DirectX Shader Cache, open disk cleanup, select your system drive, check DirectX Shader Cache, delete the cache, restart your PC. Fix 6, disable overlays, disable Steam overlay, disable Discord overlay, disable NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin overlay, close MSI Afterburner and Riva Tuner Statistics server. Fix 7, switch to DirectX 11 if supported. Open the game's launch options, add -DX11, save the changes, launch the game again. Fix 8, repair Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Repair or install Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 x64. Repair or install Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 x86. Restart your PC. Fix 9, disable GPU overclocking. Reset your GPU to default settings. Close all overclocking software. Launch the game again. Fix 10, run the game as administrator. Right-click the game executable. Select Run as Administrator. Fix 11, lower graphics settings. Disable ray tracing, reduce texture quality, lower shadow quality, enable DLSS, FSR, or XESS if available. Fix 12, reinstall the game, uninstall the game, delete any leftover game files, reinstall the latest version. Launch the game again.